Welcome to Tech Solution. Set up Arlo Pro for our Arlo Essential wire-free cameras directly to your Wi-Fi. Launch the Arlo Secure app. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Add New Device. Tap Cameras. Tap Pro or Essential. Select your camera model. Select Connect without SmartHub. Tap Continue. Check your mobile device settings to ensure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Return to the Arlo Secure app and tap Continue. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID network name and password. Tap Continue. For Arlo Essential wire-free cameras, press and hold the sync button on the bottom of the camera for 2 seconds. For Arlo Essential wire-free cameras, insert the battery into the camera and tap Continue. When the LED on the front of the camera is blinking blue, tap Continue. If the LED is not blinking blue, tap LED is not blinking blue. Press and hold the sync button on the inside of the camera and tap Continue. When the LED begins blinking blue, tap Continue. Hold the QR code about 4 to 6 inches in front of your Arlo camera. When you hear a chime, tap Continue. Arlo will begin looking for your camera. Name your Arlo camera and tap Continue. Position your Arlo camera and tap Continue. Tap Finish. Thanks for watching.